Good morning, students. So, till now we have studied about different ways to make different shapes. Okay, the geometrical shapes and use of the geometrical tools. So, let's see. Today we'll learn how to make angles. Okay. It's from last class we have studied about perpendicular, how to make perpendicular lines with the help of scale, ruler and set square, and with the help of ruler and compass. Okay, so let's see angles. So angle is what? Angle is formed by joining the endpoints of two rays. The two rays have a common endpoint which is called vertex of the angle. So look at here, this is an angle. Here two rays are here, OA and OB, and it has two rays are OA and OB, and they have common endpoint, that is O, and O is the vertex of the angle. So here this is known as angle AOB. So we can draw any angle by if any given measure. If any measure is given, any measurement is given, means if with the help of using the ruler and our protractor. So in protractor we have marked from left to right 0 to 80 degree, 180 degree, and from right to left also, means vice versa, means right to left also 0 to starting from 0 and ending at 180 degree. So if I want to make 55 degree, okay, so what we'll do, we'll take one line segment, okay, with two endpoint line segment. I am writing A, B. What I'll do, I'll put this protractor, the midpoint of the protractor. So here I'll zoom it so that you can see the midpoint. This is the midpoint of the protractor of this line. So put this midpoint on one end of the line and place this edge on this line. So tome kon karibo, end point re gote, means middle point ku gote end point rakhibo, then it will be along the line, a line sidha rahibo. Okay, next we'll take the how much angle we want? We want 55 degree. So from, if this is the midpoint, and this is the line, so I'll take from the left side. So here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then between 50 and 60, what is there? 55. I'll point it out. Okay. Then I'll join this point with A. And I'll make it C. So angle CAB is 55 degree. So like this, how much angle I want, I can easily make with protractor and ruler. But this is very easy to make angle. Okay. Next is what? Constructing a copy of an angle of an unknown measure. If an angle is given, okay, but angle diya hai jahar measurement nahi, we can make it the copy. Okay, so what we'll do, here we can make copy of an angle of unknown measure. Okay, so I'll make a angle, okay, any angle like this. What I'll do, look, I have made this angle, I'll name it as XYZ. Okay, I don't know how much degree is this angle. I don't know the measure of this angle. A angle lo measurement mate jana nahi. Tam kon karibe? I'll take a ruler, take the ruler and make a line. Okay, line teri kariyo. Then put the end point, or you can make a line or ray. Okay, so name it is A. Okay, Then what you will do? You take the scale. Okay. You take the scale and put it on the midpoint or vertex point of the given angle. Angle ro jo angle diya hechi taro vertex upare. Vertex is what? Y. So vertex upare kahaku rakhibo? This pointer. So and make a arc which will cut the two arms of the angle. A angle ro two arms को cut करथुओ सेमिति गोटे arc तैयारी करिवो. Okay. So I have made this arc like this in this measurement only. A measurement रे कौन करिवो? A रे put the pointer on A रे pointer put करिवो, then make an arc. Okay. Arc एठी put करिवो. Empty arc there. Then what you will do? You name this arc here. This is PQ. Okay. This is O. Then put one pointer on P and adjust it to the Q. Q saito adjust karibo. Okay. And take the measurement of this PQ. A PQ arc ro measurement nabo. Okay. And with this measurement, put this pointer on O and mark an arc on this. A previous arc upare agote arc teri karibo ko measurement re? PQ measurement re. Okay. Then you have got a point. Okay. Name it as M. Then join this point and extend this line. A line को point ए दीटा point को join करिवो तापरे ए line को extend कर दो. Okay. So here name it B C. So angle XYZ is equal to angle BAC. Angle BAC. So with the help of ruler and protractor, you have made a copy of an angle of unknown measure. Good ruler और scale नहीं की तमें कौन sorry ruler और compass नहीं की तमें गोटे angle रो copy तैयारी करी पाइबो. Okay. Next we will see angle of special measures. Okay. किसी special measure दिया है तो तारो किमती angle तैयारी करो. There are some elegant and accurate methods to construct some angles of a special size which do not require use of protractor. Protractor रो use दरकार पड़ियो ने तमें angle तैयारी करिवो. So first is 60 degree. 60 degree. So for 60 degree what you will do? With the help of ruler and what? Your compass. So make a line. Okay. Then put point O, A. Okay. Then on O take a arc like this. Like big arc. Make a big arc on one end point. Then you will get a point on this line. Let's name it M. Then what you will do on the same measure, a same measurement of radius, what you can do? You can mark this arc with another arc. A arc को आगोटे कौन करियो कंपास 6 पॉइंट रे कौन करियो सेम आगोटे आर्क फॉर्मेशन करियो एंड join these 2 points. ए दीटा पॉइंट को join करियो and extend it. Now name it B So here angle BOA is how much? 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Okay. Next is what? 30 degree. How you can make 30 degree? The same thing. What you will do? Take a line. Okay. Name it A, B. Okay. Then this line segment. Then make arc like this. Then with the same measurement from this point, a line रे जो ठीक cross करछी, make an arc. Okay, what you got? This one will be how much? Your 60 degree. This is your 60 degree, but we want what? 30 degree. So what you will do? You take arc from one end and arc from the other end of the vertex. Vertices ro, sorry, arm ro this side ro tame arc nabo and join this one. So this angle is how much? 30 degree. Then we can make 120 degrees. So 30 degree is the half of 60 degree. So we have bisected. Okay. The angle. Now we'll make 120 degree. Okay. So name it A, B. Okay. Then what we'll do? From one end point, make the semicircle. Okay. एमिति semicircle तैयारी कर दो. Then with the same measurement, a same measurement take from this one arc, then from the first arc make the second arc. So in the arc you have first cut point, then second cut point, and this second cut point, the second arc join this second one and A. Okay. So this is our 120 degree. So if this is C, we'll mark it angle CAB equal to 120 degree. Okay. Next is what? 90 degree. How we can make 90 degree? So you have seen we have made the perpendicular with the perpendicular with the help of ruler and compass. Like that we can make easily 90 degree. So what you will do? You take a point. Okay. Take a line. Take a point O. Then what you will do? Make a half circle which will cut the line. A line को cut कर दो. With the same measurement, what you will do? You will cut here. Take 60, this one is 60 degree, then take 120 degree and here also make what? Make a arc. Then from this 120 degree cut the arc. तो कौन करिवो? First गोटे नहीं जीवो कौन? Semi circle, then गोटे point रू एट गोटे पॉइंट रू 60 डिग्री नब देन 60 डिग्री रू 120 डिग्री पूरा नहीं की तापर 120 डिग्री रू एठू कट करिबा. ओके. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट दिस पॉइंट. दिस इज योर व्हाट? 90 degree. Okay. So this is 90 degree. So if you want 145 means half of the 90 degree is what? 45 degree. So if you bisect this angle means this 90 degree, then you will get 45 degree. How you will get? So take means you have to take arc. This one arc is there, so you take arc from this point and take other arc from this 90 degree point. So this will be your, when you join this will be 45 degree. If I am naming it A, B, C. So angle AOB equal to 90 degree. and angle COB equal to 45 degree. Like this you can make any angle with the help of only the ruler and your compass. So this is about today's class. I hope you have understood. Thank you.